So we can simulate what it's like to log in as this user by copying this login link and going back to our anonymous incognito browser and entering the link in the address bar. This lets us know that we need to set a password and we can log in. So now this user is in and they have all of the permissions of an authenticated user. So if we're thinking about how spammers are going to deal with our site, by default, Drupal keeps the user account form open to the general public. This means that eventually your site will probably start getting spammy user account registrations. Those accounts won't be able to do anything, but it will end up adding entries into your database and also make it more difficult to navigate your list of users because it shows both active and blocked users. So if we wanted to cinch this down even more, we could prevent the public from being able to submit this form and instead require administrators only to create user accounts. For this site, that setting makes a lot of sense right now because as far as we know, we don't have any use case for the general public to create user accounts. We can modify this by going to Configuration, People, and Account Settings.